Hello, Year 6, welcome to Friday's English lesson. Today you're going to be using the text, so our text trash, to interpret it using the skills of inference and deduction. So that is looking beyond what it just blatantly says in the text, reading between the lines. So if we said it's snowy outside, we could infer that it's likely to be winter. It doesn't need to say it's winter, we could infer that. We might not be right, but it's about making a reasonable guess, sort of estimation if you like. So your success criteria today, I want you to be able to use clues to make inference and deductions, use evidence from a text to then back up your ideas, and I want you to be able to answer questions using the APE approach. So that means that when you write your answers, you are backing up what you're saying with evidence from the text and you're explaining how they link together. Okay. So I just want you to have a think back over the trash that we've read so far, the bits of the book you've come across, what has happened so far, which characters have we met, where is the story set, and have there been any key incidents that really stick in your mind. Okay, all these things linked together will give you a good idea of where we're up to in the text, and just taking that time to have a bit of a review, a bit of a think about what you've learned, maybe even flip back through your workbook, look at what you've done so far. Just think carefully about what we've covered so far with trash. So today we're going to read chapters 5 and 6. Now they are on Seesaw, in the book format, and also I will make sure that the video links are there for you on the school website. I do think, in general, reading them on Seesaw will make life easier for you because you'll have the text there to refer back to, and they are all on each of the classes' Seesaw pages for you to look at. You need to make sure, though, you're on the right chapters 5 and 6 because the book's split into separate parts. So we're still on part 1, chapters 5 and 6. So when you look for it on Seesaw, make sure you find the right bits. Read a chapter at a time and then answer the questions that go with each chapter. There aren't a huge number of questions today, so take your time with it and make sure the answers you give are quality answers. A for answer, P to prove with evidence, and E, explain the link between your answer and the proof. Okay? So here are your 3 questions from chapter 5. So read chapter 5, have a go at the questions. Okay? And when you've done that, read chapter 6 and have a go at the 2 questions here. The number of lines I've given you show that you're going to need more than a word or a couple of words. You're going to need a bit of detail. Okay, so make sure that's what you do as you answer the question. Look forward to seeing what you manage to gain from the text and how well you do with the answers. Good luck, and if you need any support with them, send it through on Seesaw or Class Dojo.